guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Game War. So guys, today in this video I want to share a unique and awesome platform is showing in the video. So guys, before going to start the further review, I would request if you are new my YouTube channel Crypto Game War, so please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for upcoming video notification. So let's start the review now. Here you can see this amazing platform like that baby Bitcoin. Capture the crazy and make money online. This platform have a massive potential inside drive into the playful world of baby Bitcoin where crypto meets fun like never before. Born from the legend Bitcoin, baby Bitcoin have to make a cracking splash is NFT and data currency playground. Here you can see you can buy on Redidium and you can check out all of white paper information roadmap. I explain each and everything about this related platform baby Bitcoin. Here you can see this tutorial video on YouTube how baby Bitcoin. Simple and fun trading baby Bitcoin is easy paisa perfect for the both crypto Athenians and beginners community custom. Here you can see you can read out this community contracts information and safe and secure information like that, and here you can see and you can buy now and make money online. Here you can see all of information, and here you can see this tokenomics detail. I like that action baby Bitcoin purchase directly from in Leopard or Redidium. So guys, enjoy and separate use baby Bitcoin for the transaction collaboration. Unique digital conference are holding for potential future growth. 1 billion token fair launch on Redidium guys, and here you can see this total supply blockchain on Solana, this platform based on Solana. Here you can see this latest roadmap like that, phase 1 information like that you can read out, and phase 2 information you can check out this phase 2 information like that, and you can check out this phase 3 information like that, and here you can see this development roadmap. Playpin is coming soon. Participate in the full field events and commission that we could see baby Bitcoin Binance growth before you launch the Playpin. Here you can see launch date you can read out and list it on Redidium. Here you can see this role and prices, and here you can see this market cap price and like that. Here you can see how to get Bitcoin waivers. So guys, you can check out and buy on Redidium Dex and buy on Jetpo and create buy and sell NFT like that. You can read out this information and make money online. Hold baby Bitcoin. You can read out this all of information. Here you can see this baby Bitcoin home by white paper roadmap and DEX pool information and like that. Stay community. You can must be follow this social medias community like that, Twitter and Telegram community. All official link in my video description. Here you can see this DEX tool swap information, and you for first of all you can confirm in token. This token is not a difficult, is a token listed by clicking below. You understanding you are full responsibility for confirmation. The token you are trading you must I understand and confirm, and here you can see this trading graph like that, and here you can see you can swap this payment and like that etc payment you can swap, and here you can see and you can buy this token and make money online. Here you can see and contact your wallet, and here you can see this official to a Telegram community. This official link in my video description. You can join and make money online. Here you can see this again swap information. Here you can see this white paper baby Bitcoin white paper. First of all you can check out this introduction catch as crows, and welcome to the baby Bitcoin, the next elevation in a cryptocurrency that matters the fundamental principle of Bitcoin, that threading innovation of the medium digital assets aiming from the closing shadow of the Bitcoin baby Bitcoin, the process to resolution the NFT and digital currency laggers. Here you can see why baby Bitcoin and simple and fun. Here you can see you can read out this information and like that you can must be read out this all of white paper community contract safe secure information tokenomics. Here you can see this total supply 1 billion total supply highest blockchain project Solana New Year spend and effectively. And here you can see this ultra information and the NFT play and animation of Unity, and like that you can must be read out this roadmap information, phase 1 information, phase 2 and like that phase 3, and how to manage and baby Bitcoin information like that. Stay contactive And final message, baby Bitcoin invite you join a new area of the digital current and NFT trading. We are focused on unit security and community. Baby Bitcoin is said to be a consumer digital transaction is a current word. You drive into a system and opportunities like that. You can must be rid of this white paper and like that you can make money online. Here you can see this official Twitter community. You can must be follow this Twitter community that have latest update news in with the first NFT platform with a 0% developer fees, guys. Like that, you can all of official link in my video description. You can see this post and you can like this post and share this post, and you can must be follow the Twitter community that are latest update news in which. And here you can see this social third community like that Instagram account. You can must be follow this Instagram account that have latest update news in which. You can check out this post already written this post, and you can must be follow this Instagram community like that. Here you can see this TikTok community. You can must be follow the TikTok community that latest update news in which. So guys, I hope you like this video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.